Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Hub. In today's video, I'll show you how to download GTA San Andreas on your PC or laptop in 2025. Whether you're using Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7, this tutorial has got you covered. Today, you will learn how you can download GTA San Andreas on your laptop or PC. So first of all, what we need to do is head over to a browser. Then, we want to search for Rockstar Games. Once we search for Rockstar Games, click on Rockstar Games right here. And then once you're on this page, go to the top right corner, click on the search icon, and then search for GTA San Andreas. Once we do this, as you can see, GTA San Andreas is listed right here. Now, this is one of the sources where you can download it. So this is one way that you can download GTA San Andreas on your PC or laptop. The other way will be to head over to Steam. Go to the search bar again and search for GTA. Once you search for GTA, as you will notice, GTA San Andreas is right here. Click on this, enter in your date of birth. Once we click on View Page, just simply click on Add to Cart. And then what you want to do now is click on Continue to Payment and then purchase GTA San Andreas. That's it for today, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and like and subscribe for more awesome content here on How to Hub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.